Well, sustainability is at the core of our activities. This encompasses all aspects that are needed to preserve our environment for future generations on the one hand, but also what is needed to serve our customers in the best way possible. Evonik has announced that we want to reduce our global Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 25% from the year 2021 to 2030, and we have already achieved 15% reduction in 2023. To achieve this target, we have put in place a wide range of measures, and this includes exiting coal-fired power generation in Germany, ongoing global development of production processes, and also investing in green infrastructure. Stepwise switch to renewable energy. Specifically in China, we also improve our production process, introduce technologies so that we can recover energy from exhaust gas, waste heat, further use it in production, and therefore reducing emission and improve our energy efficiency. In China, several of our plants are already using 100% green electricity. Furthermore, we also expand the production of sustainable products in China. For example, we are producing a highly pure cosmetic wax by enzymatic esterification based on 100% renewable energy in Shanghai. This approach delivers a significant reduction of carbon footprint in cosmetic formulation for our customers. Well, Scope 3 are usually the biggest part of the overall CO2 emission of a chemical company, and we target to reduce absolute Scope 3 emission from all relevant upstream categories by 11% from 2021 to 2030. And this will require intensive cooperation with partners along the whole supply chain. And I think there are three parts that we can really focus on, and together with TFS. The first one is about creating transparency. We can only work on effective measures and steer the progress only if we have a means to measure. This will require a science-based approach to create transparency. And to this end, Evonik is heavily involved in the designing and updating of the TFS Product Carbon Footprint PCF guideline, and is actively promoting the concept to all our supply chain partners. Second, collaboration is key, is essential. We contact our major suppliers regularly to discuss the ways we can reduce emissions. That may be renewable energies, improving processes, or considering alternative raw materials. And by taking such an overview of all the factors, we can then discuss specific targets with our suppliers, and then we can work together on achieving these targets. In this way, we also support our customers' focus on reducing their carbon emissions and enhancing their circularity. We invite all our suppliers to provide PCFs in accordance with the TFS guideline, and make this also part of our supplier communication as well as contract discussion. And most importantly, we are very willing to work with our suppliers to improve their PCF performance. It is definitely more effort. However, this helps to protect our environment, and it opens up new business opportunities both in China and globally. And I think the third point is that as an important co-founders of TFS, we want to promote PCF, and we want to make it more simple for our suppliers to collaborate. Collaboration on PCF data from suppliers, answering their requests, their questions, will require more efficient exchange program. And we have been piloting activities, developing platforms from the very beginning. We want to make it easy for all our business partners, and therefore we plan to use the PCF data exchange platform Sea Green that fulfills these needs as much as possible to reach our climate targets. In addition to one-on-one collaboration on sustainability topics with our partners and suppliers, we regularly organize trainings and seminars both within Evonik events or through TFS platforms with our suppliers to help them understand our sustainability standards and how to achieve better performance. We've also been taking active part in various industrial associations, sharing our best practices with our supply chain partners. For instance, we have been working together with China Petroleum and Chemical Industry Federation, or CPCIF, to promote TFS framework methodology, assessments and audits at its annual conference, and we have joined several specific task forces in this association to advocate sustainable procurement concepts in China. Of course, such framework and guidelines will need regional adaptation, and this is exactly what we are striving for in China.